What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for watching. So today I decided to do a little springtime makeup look. It's super, bright lip, nice golden lid, and I wanted to make it all drugstore so that way it's easy to recreate, it's affordable, and it's actually really easy to do. The eyeshadow took like 3 different steps and you got a nice little eyeshadow on. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and you know what to do. If you do, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel to join my squad. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. What is up, guys? Let's just get started. So I'm first gonna prime my face with the Dewy Lumino primer from Wet n Wild, and I put way too much on. This is such a illuminating primer. You kind of look like the Tin Man, but like in a cute way, and I don't know, I really like it. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Better Skin. It was a little bit tan for me, so I did go in with my LA Girl white foundation and kind of just mixed it. I will put all the shades down below, you guys already know. And I'm first going to spread it out with this little Delium Tools paddle brush before I go in with my L'Oreal sponge just to blend everything out. To highlight and conceal, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Corrective Yellow. This is a corrector, but I like it to use as concealer as well. I'm putting it under my eyes, priming my eyelids with it, and also on my nose. And I'm just going to blend that out with my L'Oreal sponge and also the little brush on my eyelids. This is such a nice concealer. It's super affordable, and as you guys can see, it brightens the hell out of your face, and I absolutely love that. So what setting powder do you guys think I'm going to use? Of course, the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. It's so good, it's my favorite, so I'm just going to set anywhere that I highlighted and on my eyelids as well. And I'm also going to take this fluffy brush from Crystal Scents, and I'm just going to lightly set the rest of my face. To contour, I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Contour Kit. I like it, but you have to have a really light hand with it. It can get pretty muddy pretty quickly, so you have to be careful with it. That's why actually I set my foundation, because I knew this would be a little muddy. I've only used it once before, and I like it. It's just not my favorite. The yellow shade does brighten a lot though, so it's alright. It's not bad. And then I'm going in with this LA Girl face powder. It's actually a face powder, but I got it in a darker shade, in the shade Cocoa, and I'm using it to bronze. It's a nice warm shade. I really like it. I just realized that I'm using a lot of LA Girl products in this. I hope you guys don't mind. It's a very affordable brand. And then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mellow Wine with the same brush as always. This is such a pigmented blush. You have to really be careful with it, like hella careful. I know I always use this blush. I need to go buy some more drugstore blushes so I don't bore you guys. So I'll definitely be doing that, okay? I promise. And then I'm going to take this little Ulta stippling brush just to kind of blend out everything I did on my face. Okay guys, I put you in up close. I'm using this Wet n Wild little eyeshadow palette and going in with that little camel color, little transition shade. I'm just going to blow that out on the crease. This is going to be a very simple look. It's going to be nice and fresh and golden. Woo! And then I'm going to go back to that little bronzer, and I'm using a little Morphe brush that's more of a tapered shape, and I'm just going to kind of deepen up the crease. Not too much, this is just going to give it a little more of dimension. Then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Eyeshadow in Eternal Sunshine. These are so good. And these work really good with your fingers, but my fingers literally just didn't fit at all. So I ended up going in with a flat brush instead. It works way better with your fingers, highly recommend that. But if you are using a flat brush, it's easier if you crumble it a little bit and take the excess and then pat it down. I feel like that's how you get the most pigment. Such a beautiful shadow, and this is such an easy, effortless look. I'm just going to go back in with that brush, no additional product, and blending it out. And then going back with the bronzer, I'm just going to kind of smoke out the outer corner just a little bit. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the bottom lash line, and that's the little Coastal Scents brush. For eyeliner, I'm using this Wet n Wild felt tip liner that I love to use. And then I do have eyelash extensions, so I'm just going to comb those out with a little spoolie. And I'm just going to apply some bottom mascara. This is the L'Oreal Fiber X mascara. So I'm going back in with that palette and using that white matte shade just to highlight my brow bone. So for highlight, we're using the Maybelline Master Chrome and Molten Gold, and this is the best highlight. I know you know that, and if you don't know that, then what are you doing? This is the best highlight at the drugstore. I'm just gonna highlight my whole face, per usual. And I'm also using it on a little small brush to put it in my inner corners as well. And I forgot to put nude liner on before my mascara, but this is just the Rimmel Scandalized Nude Liner. And to set the face, I'm doing the Maybelline Master Fix. For lip liner, I'm using this gel lip liner from Wet n Wild. I'll put the shade down below. I'm purposely using a very dark lip liner because I want to kind of manipulate the color of the liquid lipstick and make it a little bit darker because this is so bright. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick, and I don't know, at first I didn't really like it because I just thought it was way too bright. I thought it was gonna be a little bit darker, more like rustic orange and red. It was just kind of highlighter type to me. So I ended up going in on top with the AOA liquid lipstick in the shade Blogger. This is a $1 liquid lipstick from Shop Miss A. I'm not crazy about the formula, but just as a topper, it was just fine. It's like a rustic little red shade. Alrighty guys, and this is the final result. I ended up really liking how it turned out. The only thing that kind of, it didn't ruin the look for me, but something that I wasn't expecting was, I mean, I know like that this is bright, but like as soon as I opened it, this is like highlighter. This looks like a highlighter, and I tried using this in like my third video in my channel, I remember, and it's just a little too bright for me, so I did have to put something on top, which now it looks more red than orange, but you know what, whatever. I always like wearing bright lips during the springtime anyway, so I really like the way it turned out as a whole. It just turned out a little bit different than I thought. But anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and also let me know if you guys are ready for spring, because I so am. I live in Houston, and I'm always thinking that like I'm gonna miss the cold because it's so hot here, but no, I miss the sun. I need some vitamin D in my life. Like, I need the sun, and I need to get tan. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next, or just come say hi to me. You know I love saying hi to you. And yeah, I hope you're having an awesome day or night wherever the heck you are. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. And I love you. Bye. Why did I ruin that?